When's the last time you went on a slow nature walk where you were impressed to rush back home, meet anybody, or do anything else right after? Walks in creation can be so therapeutic, nourishing to the soul and our state of mind, before, during, and after. When I became more proactive about my health, joy, and peace of mind, it made a big difference for the better. Being in creation was always a part of life, but at one point years ago, things got so busy that there wasn't any room to remember and focus on well-being. So I gently ask you, sis, how well are you being? And are you making room for the things that nurture you, the things that bring you joy, that help you to live light, that inspire you, that bring out the best in you? In creation, you could get a heightened sense of clarity. You see things you wouldn't notice if you were driving by, and you hear so many different bird songs if you listen closely. You might be pleasantly surprised at the pace of your thoughts when you go on a slow walk. Cooking doesn't have to be overwhelming, and every meal doesn't have to be a big production. I really enjoy cooking, and the more I cook, the more of a joy it is. You get to be creative with provisions, aromas, herbs, flavors, fruits, veg, and show love to your loved ones at the same time. Nourish your body. If you want some recipes and inspiration to make some healthy, tasty, tropical, vegetable-rich food, I have a cookbook in my online shop, and you could check for the link in the description box. You could be so creative with peas and beans, because you could make a stew with them, make dal, or fries, patties, veg burgers, or boil them down, season, and make a nice soup. You could even make flour with them. Chicken potatoes. Over here we have some rocket lettuce. Really pungent, you can smell it. Real strong. Then we have, apparently this is an anti-cancer
grass kind of herb. Here is mint. A little bit of chives. Thyme is flowering. Some thyme, fine leaf thyme. I love just smelling them. This is so beautiful. This here is curry. It's so soft, even though it has a rosemary look. It smells like curry. And here is some lavender. It smells so beautiful. And over here is rosemary.
All of us have been through something, a challenge, encounter, or a storm of some kind and measure. And coming out to that season could cause us to tiptoe our way around life and people, become rough or aloof or fearful, or pick up bad habits. No, we don't want to do that. It's about healing, well-being, and walking in love. The road to refreshment is possible, and it could start with small, focused, purposeful steps. You might be sweetly surprised at how refreshed you are and how much joy bubbles up and overflows into the rest of your life walk. Time is precious, and every gifted breath is a blessing. Hey! Hello, girlie! Sometimes things that look like simple everyday moments in life can bring so much joy. And even beyond the places we go and the things we see, have, and do, there's always something to give thanks for.